This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Personalization to change the taskbar color now. Right-click the desktop and pick Personalize. Once the window appears, click Colors on the left. Make sure you toggle Start, Taskbar, and Action Center to on. This enables taskbar color control. Next, decide whether to use light, dark, or custom under Choose Your Color, because that setting affects how colors apply. Once done, move to selecting a color swatch or a custom color, and now you choose the precise hue for the taskbar. If you want simplicity, pick an accent color from the grid. If you prefer system-driven matching, toggle accent color to be picked from the background. For full control, click Custom Color and enter RGB values or a HEX code. This lets you match branding or a wallpaper exactly. Make sure to watch the taskbar as you change values because the preview updates immediately. Once satisfied, keep the window open briefly to confirm contrast and legibility. Finish by clicking Done and closing settings. This saves the color to the taskbar immediately. If the color does not appear, make sure your overall Windows theme isn't overriding colors. Switch between light, dark, or custom and reapply the accent. If it still fails, restart Explorer from Task Manager or sign out and sign back in to force an update. If problems persist, check for third-party theming apps and disable them because they often block Windows color changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.